Imagine a world where your audience isn't just passively consuming your content, but actively participating in it. A world where you can have real-time conversations, answer questions, and build a deeper connection with your viewers. This is the power of interactive Q&A sessions. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, capturing and maintaining audience attention is more crucial than ever. With countless distractions vying for our time, it's essential to find innovative ways to engage viewers and foster a sense of community. Interactive Q&A sessions are a powerful tool to achieve this goal. By incorporating live Q&As into your content strategy, you can elevate viewer experience, spark meaningful conversations, and ultimately strengthen your brand. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the days of traditional Q&A sessions, where audiences would submit questions via email or social media? While these methods were a start, they often lacked the immediacy and spontaneity that viewers crave. Fast forward to today, and we see a revolution in audience engagement. Live streaming platforms, interactive chat features, and real-time polling have transformed the way we interact with our audience. These tools allow us to bridge the gap between content creator and viewer, fostering a sense of shared experience. Let's bring this to life. Real-time engagement. Show how you can respond to viewer questions and comments instantly. Audience participation. Encourage viewers to ask questions, vote on polls, and share their opinions. Personalized interaction. Tailor your responses to individual viewers, creating a more personalized experience. Data-driven insights. Discuss how analyzing viewer feedback can inform future content strategy. After the live Q&A, take some time to reflect on the feedback received. Analyze viewer comments, questions, and suggestions to gain valuable insights into their preferences and expectations. By actively listening to your audience, you can tailor your content to their needs and interests. For example, if many viewers expressed interest in a specific topic, you could create a dedicated video or series on that subject. Alternatively, if you received feedback about the technical aspects of your Q&A, you could refine your setup for future sessions. Interactive Q&A sessions are a game changer for audience engagement. By incorporating these sessions into your content strategy, we can build stronger relationships with our audience, increase viewer retention, generate valuable insights, elevate our brand. We'd love to hear your thoughts on interactive Q&A sessions. Have you tried them in your own content? What challenges and successes have you experienced? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to enhance audience engagement, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the art of storytelling and content curation.